Hello, Tutulinato, Obenya Joga Kenya Major. So some of you are saying that Adam, which we have that Adam JCO, means idea. Yes, Adam means idea, but doesn't mean idea only. It also means to advise or counsel. Yes, and so in Ajagbe, uh, which is spoken in some part of Ghana, Togo, Benin, and some part of Nigeria, they also have down, which means idea, but which also means advice. So they also have a down dede, which means piece of advice. Yeah, so some of the words in our languages have similar meanings. They are spelled the same and sound the same, pronounce the same, but they may have different and but similar meanings. Their meanings are related. Yes. So in Ajagbe, they have Enupamenyo, which also means advice, or Nupamenya, which also means advice in Ebegbe. So there may be 2 or 3 words that means the same or have the same meanings, or there may be 1 word which have different meanings but related. Yes. So the Fongbe, the Ajagbe, the Begbe, the Gandangbe, and Yoruba are part of the Igbo languages. So let's look at the similarities. And so if you're not sure of a certain word, look at it in another Igbo language and see how it works. Yes, Apenami, and let's continue to learn and explore languages.